Um, yeah, what's up, guys? It's your boy DJ Nine Fire. So we're in Doodle World, and sorry for not posting, but dude, here we are at the new forest, the update. So let's talk here to TJ. Hopefully, there's no more destructions. We're gonna finally be able to gain the key and stop this thunderstorm. Boy, where you come from? She teleported. I have teleport powers. Duh. But what the? Yeah. Hmm. Let me just wow. Let me just skip this. Oh, yeah. Okay. Guys. Boy, give me those powers. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna get into it. Let me put my sound little. There, yeah. Okay, boys. It's finally open. No disturbances or whatever. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm so hyped, bro. Boy, what the? No. Boy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, my G. Bro. Bro, chill. 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 Chill, bro. Chill. Dude, my G. What the? Sorry if it's a little laggy, but. Wait, what the? I've got this before. Yeah. Let's see. Wait, what? Wait. You can get those now? Nice. Nice, man. Boy, what's your stinky ass looking at, bro? Oh, you wanna go? Let's go. Okay. Tourist, I don't give a fudge who you are. Boy, I'm gonna get clapped in the cheeks. I do not like my Geo. Let me do some switching, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, do not like my G. Demon do not like him. And you choose to do squeak. What the fudge? Boy, claw swipes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, boys. That was sick. That right there was sick. Okay, boys, I bet you we will finish him. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay. 3 more doodles to fight. Let's go. You know it. It's about to go. We about it. Nah. Okay. I'm just first gonna go through this.